There's an unusual tension running through the games industry at the moment, and it has little to do with blockbuster releases or next-generation hardware. Instead, it centers on memory, specifically RAM, and the growing pressure being placed on global supply. As AI data centers hoover up vast quantities of it, reports suggest that both Sony and Nintendo are feeling the strain. A reminder that even entertainment giants are not immune to broader technological shifts. At first glance, it might seem odd that gaming companies would be caught in the slipstream of artificial intelligence infrastructure. Yet modern consoles are, in many ways, highly specialized computers. They rely on high-bandwidth memory to juggle detailed game worlds, advanced physics engines, and ever more ambitious graphical demands. When AI firms begin buying up enormous volumes of the same memory components for data center expansion, competition intensifies and supply chains tighten. The most immediate concern is cost. RAM prices are notoriously cyclical, but the recent surge in demand from AI training and inference workloads has added a fresh layer of volatility. For console manufacturers, which operate on carefully balanced margins, even modest increases in component pricing can have meaningful consequences. Hardware is often sold at slim profit, sometimes even at a loss, with revenue expected to come from software and services. If memory becomes significantly more expensive, that delicate equation shifts. For Sony, whose PlayStation ecosystem depends on high-performance hardware capable of delivering cinematic experiences, the stakes are particularly clear. Its consoles are designed to support cutting-edge visuals and large, seamless game environments. Any compromise in memory capacity or bandwidth would risk undermining the very features that differentiate the platform. Absorbing higher costs without passing them on to consumers could squeeze profitability at a time when development budgets are already climbing. Nintendo faces a slightly different dynamic. Historically, the company has prioritized innovation and gameplay creativity over raw graphical power. Its hardware philosophy leans towards efficiency and clever design rather than brute force specifications that may offer some insulation against extreme memory demands. Yet it does not eliminate exposure entirely. Portable and hybrid systems still require reliable, cost-effective components, and sustained RAM shortages could complicate future hardware planning. Beyond pricing, there's the question of availability. AI data center expansion is not a short-term fad. It is a structural shift in computing. As companies race to build larger and more capable models, demand for high-performance memory shows little sign of easing. For console makers preparing mid-generation refreshes or next-generation platforms, long-term component contracts become both more critical and more complex. Securing adequate supply without overcommitting financially is a delicate balancing act. From a consumer perspective, the impact may not be immediately visible, but it could surface in subtle ways. We might see more conservative hardware upgrades, extended console life cycles, or even cautious pricing strategies on upcoming models. Alternatively, manufacturers may double down on software optimization, squeezing more performance from existing hardware rather than relying purely on expanded memory specifications. What's striking is how interconnected the technology landscape has become. Gaming, once a relatively self-contained segment of the electronics industry, now competes directly with cloud computing and AI research for essential components. The same chips powering immersive open-world adventures are also fueling machine learning breakthroughs in distant server farms. It's a vivid illustration of how progress in one sector can ripple across many others. Ultimately, neither Sony nor Nintendo is likely to be derailed by RAM shortages alone. Both companies have weathered supply disruptions before, from semiconductor crunches to logistics bottlenecks. Yet the current squeeze highlights a new reality. The future of gaming hardware is increasingly entwined with the demands of artificial intelligence infrastructure. For players, this may mean a slightly slower march towards ever higher specifications, but it also encourages smarter engineering and thoughtful design. In that sense, constraint can sometimes breed creativity. The coming years will reveal how effectively console makers adapt, and whether memory shortages become a temporary headache or a defining feature of this AI-driven era.